Now, while you were working, I was finishing up the ends. So I had the arc on one side of the uh, part. I think it was on the bottom. I did the big sweepy arc on the short side on the opposite also by projecting it and extruding and all that. And I put in this bump on both sides. Now, what I want to do, the last thing, and this is just to add one more detail, I'm going to go to this top surface right here. I'll zoom in on this side, and I'm going to draw a circle right at the midpoint of that thing. I'm going to pull this out, and this is where you have to start thinking about the size of the tools that I have. I want to do just a simple drilling operation here with an end mill, and I want that end mill to cut just a straight drill down in. So I have a 1/2 inch tool, which gives me a 1/4 inch radius. And I'm going to be doing a lot of work with the 1/2 inch tool on this part. So I could make this a 1/2 inch diameter circle with the 1/4 inch radius. I have a 1/4 inch tool, which would give me an 1/8 inch radius. So it's just kind of a what I like type of thing. So I'm going to put in a 0.25 diameter, which means that I'm going to end up with a 1/8 of an inch radius. So when I go to cut this, I will use the 1/4 inch tool. And what I'm going to do is finish my sketch. I think this is going to work out. I'm going to extrude that. It's going to be a cut. And the distance is to the surface. And if I say OK, what do I got? That's what I got. Now, again, just like before, mirror tool, here we go. Feature, that one. Mirror plane, that one. We'll say OK. Just double check, make sure it's there. It is. And now on the bottom, we'll do a 2D sketch. And I'm going to use project geometry. And you can see I just put my cursor on here. I know about where that thing is, so I just touch it, and there it goes. And I'm going to need to do, let's see, I think I'm going to need to do the arc here. I'm going to go to the end point there, to the end point there, to the center point there. Same thing at the top. Arc, end point, center point, and I should be okay with this. Go away, save a reminder. Finish sketch. I'm going to extrude that one there. It's going to be a cut to that surface. Okay. So that should pretty much finish up the part. As far as I'm going to go with it, you can do more things to it that you might like. And I'm all set.